Screencastify is the easiest way to record your screen. It's a Chrome extension, so just search for it and install it. After you've installed it into Chrome, you'll need to get it set up the first time. Find the extension, and when you're installing it, it'll ask for you to give it permission to connect to Google. And at some point you'll also have to turn on the camera and the microphone, all those normal kinds of setups. Let's skip the tutorials and look at an example of what a completed video might look for a morning greeting video. Hi, good morning everybody. Today I'm going to get us started by first let's take a look at our most recent slide deck. Should be able to find it on Seesaw, and you've got the other things as well. So here it is. This is Monday. Let's go through it. I want to make sure that you don't have any trouble at all. This is the date. Let's take a look at our day today. If you are an EAL transition student, please make sure you notice this right here. That lets you know that when you are doing your reading, there's a special slide. Okay, I think that's gone on long enough. Let's see what it looks like when we actually want to publish it. Once you stop recording, you get this great editor window. We can change the name at the top, or we can edit the beginning and the end, and we can share to YouTube. That's what we're going to do right now. I'm going to choose unlisted, and because this is the first time I've used YouTube with this app, it's going to ask me to authorize for the first time. Allow it to connect to your YouTube account, and you're all set. Click Upload. Once it is uploaded, it will give you the link which you can paste into your slide deck or directly into Seesaw. There's quite a few other export options, such as exporting just the audio. You'll have to explore them yourself. Keep in mind that this free version is limited to 5 minutes per video. Good luck!